Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, A Handful of Daisies DIY. If you're new here, I'm Elaine. Thanks so much for stopping by today. On my channel, we do all things DIY, whether it's furniture flips or thrift flips or building new wood signs or even t-shirts sometimes. So if that's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and join our DIY family. You'll also find me on Facebook and Instagram at A Handful of Daisies DIY. Make sure you check us out over there as well. So if you're ready, let's get into today's project. I'm going to start out by taking everything off the back. This wire is pretty thick. And this mirror is very heavy. So I'm going to try to get everything off of it so have a good surface, just the wood to work with. I'll end up getting rid of a little bit of this wire. There's a little too much on here. I think it would just scratch up someone's wall. My husband did pick this up at a yard sale the other day. He has been going out for me and checking out the yard sales and then letting me know if there's anything I need to come and look at, which has been really nice. I have so many projects going on right now. The nails in the back of this are those flat nails. Never seen these nails be put in a mirror before, but this is a really old mirror. So I'm going to see if I can get these out without damaging the mirror. You can see these flat nails. And this is just cardboard on the back. Just corrugated cardboard. I'm going to have to replace that as well. You hear the noise in the background. I do have the fan going. It's pretty hot out today. I am in my garage again. Like I said last video, my workshop is so packed full of furniture items that I really don't have enough room to work. So spilled over a little bit in the garage while one of our cars is in the shop being worked on. We just have a few regular nails in there as well. I hope I can get this wood sealed up pretty good because it is falling apart a little bit. So you can see this is just cardboard that's been painted and it's gotten a lot of water damage on it. So I'm going to throw that out and replace the backing. See all those flat nails I pulled out. They actually just look like little shards of metal and not nails. I don't know if that's because this piece is just so old. I said I've never seen that before. And it did have the hooks on all four sides, I guess, so someone could hang the mirror whichever way they wanted. Long or vertical or horizontal. Let's see if I can get this mirror out. I said it's really heavy. Just gonna put that to the side. And then see what we need to do here. You can see it's a little wobbly. I'm gonna have to put some wood glue in there. And then clamp it together, I think, before we do anything else to it. So before I wood glue it together, I'm going to give it a good clean with heavy duty degreaser from Dawn. Just to get all the crud off because it's really dirty. See how dirty it was. So get it all wiped down, and then I'll rinse it, put some wood glue on, and you can see it's a little chippy, but I'm just going to leave that. I'm using wood glue from Typhon. I'm just going to put it in all the seams. And if it seeps through, I can always sand it down a little bit. Trying to push it down into the cracks. Now I don't have any clamps big enough to fit this, so I think I'm just going to use my masking tape to try to hold it all together. Alright, and I'll set that to the side and let that glue dry before I do anything else. So now that the glue's all dry, I'm going to go ahead and take all the tape off and get it painted. I'm going to put it up on some 1x2s just so I can get the edges as well. It's not laying flat on the table. So my base coat is going to be this Kilt's chalk paint and toasted poppy seed. It is a really nice charcoal gray. put a thin coat on it, and then I'll go back and add another coat as well. Because this frame is angled up, I will have to go turn it over and do the back side as well. So it'll be nice on both sides. So I'll let that dry and come back and put a second coat on. Now that that's all dry, I'm going to seal it up with some polyacrylic. Now that the polyacrylic's all dry, we're going to use this glue that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and we're going to try to do the crackle effect. I've never done this before with glue, so we're going to try it out. If you've watched Ginger Chick, Yvonne, Ginger Chick Rehab do it, she makes it look so easy, so we're going to try it and see how easy it is. It's really hot out here, so I'm afraid my glue is going to dry fast, so I have to work really quickly. I'm going to use Dixie paint and fluff. And she says put it on really thick. Alright, let's let that dry and see if it works. It's still drying. Once it finishes drying completely, I'm going to go ahead and seal it all up with polyacrylic and then put it all back together. Here's a look at how it turned out. I just love it. This is such an easy project. Let me know in the comments below, is this something you'll try as well? Or maybe you've already tried this on one of your projects. Next week we'll be working with decoupage papers. I can't wait for you to see all the new papers I purchased, and we'll be using them on a few projects. Thanks so much for watching and have a great Labor Day weekend.